Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how we are going to go about our spiral review. So you're going to have your spiral review folder and you're going to open it up and you're going to find a yellow sheet like this. It is laminated, so you could use whiteboard marker to make check marks on it if you would like. This is going to be your checklist for the entire week. You are not to complete your entire spiral review in one day. You are to take all week long to complete this process. So this is a checklist for you. It's also in Schoology as well, but I'm going to kind of go through what you're going to do each day. Okay? So for example, on Monday, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to read the passage. Then you're also going to read the questions, do not answer. So you do not even need a pencil in your hand. You just need to get out your story. And we're going to use this story for an example. What is Showing by Helen Campion. Okay, so you're going to read the entire story. Okay, you're going to read all the pages. Then you're going to read all of the questions, 1, 2, and 3. I'm not going to do anything else, and I'm going to put my spiral review away for Monday. Now, for Tuesday, the next day, I'm going to come in and I'm going to reread the passage, and this time I'm going to highlight or underline important information or words. So I'm going to come in the next day, and on Tuesday I'm going to get out my highlighter and pencil, and I'm going to reread the story, highlighting and underlining important information. So I noticed I did not know what this word epidermis was. I labeled the title author. I took some notes off to the side that helped me know what was going on. We changed settings, so I put a line. Again, I didn't know what this word meant. I did go ahead and take some more notes off to the side. A really important event happened, so I made a star there. I highlighted the picture and I explained what was happening in the picture. And again, I took notes over here. I did find a word that I didn't know, but it gave me the definition down here, so I made sure I understood what all of that was doing. Okay, so that's what I do Tuesday. I just reread and I mark up my story. Now, Wednesday. Okay, the next day, Wednesday. I'm going to reread the questions this time. I'm going to highlight or underline important information and then cross out incorrect answers. Okay, so today I'm going to highlight or underline important information and cross out ones I didn't know. So this question said, Jen's actions at school suggest that she. Well, suggesting, that tells me that I'm going to make an inference, okay? I read the answer choices and I know for a fact A is too crazy. I know that she's not shy around people, so I crossed that one out. For number 2, it says, the reader can tell what is showing, which is the title of the book, so I underlined it, is realistic fiction because it is. Well, I know realistic fiction is a genre and it means real, but fiction means fake. Okay, so I kind of broke that down. I know exaggerates abilities is either a fable or fantasy, so I crossed that out. Tells a story that's handed down from generation to generation. I knew that was a fable, so I crossed those out. The third question I said, Jen's main conflict is solved when? Well, I know main conflict is another word for problem, and resolved is solved. Okay, so I crossed out A because no, she did not answer it, and I crossed out C because this is the problem. So then on Thursday, what you're going to do is you're actually going to choose the best answer and you're going to write the question number next to the paragraph that proves your answer. So you're going to go in that day, you're going to read it. Okay, well, I know this is talking about the school actions, so I'm going to go back into the story, and I know that school happened in here, so I'm going to write question 1 next to here. Okay? Finally, on Friday, you're going to enter all of these answers into Schoology. Okay? That is your spiral review.